I wanted to give you another way of determining the slant asymptote, at least when it's multiple choice. So there's a process of elimination here that you can use. So the idea is that for a slant asymptote or a horizontal asymptote, it's basically asking what the value of this is as x goes out to positive infinity or negative infinity. So it's, what we're going to do is we're going to plug in some value for x towards infinity, so way out here, and compare it to what we get for a, b, and c. Now, obviously, we can't plug in infinity into our calculator, but we can get some numbers that are pretty big, and that's all we're going to do. We're just going to pick some very large number for x and see what it gives us for the original, and then compare that to the answer options below. So, really big numbers, we'll go with, what's that, 1 million, all right? We'll store that to x, and we're just going to type this expression in and see what it gives us. Okay, fraction, x to the third. There's our numerator, and then x squared plus 1. All right. Cool. So we got 999,999. We'll use red here. So the original here gave us a bunch of nines. Oh, and by the way, you don't want to use too big of a number that you're plugging in for x, because if you do, you'll end up getting the little E symbol, and it's scientific notation, so don't go too big. So now we're going to test each of these answer options and see which one is closest to that value. So if we do x plus 1, we get back 1,000,001. Let's see, is that right? I think that's right. And then for b, we have x minus 1, and it is a dead ringer. So this one is exactly the same value that we got for the original. All right, only works for multiple choice, but it's better than doing long division with something like this, I think.